So how do you turn off the sleep mode on the iPhone? And let's get started. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe right now because you don't want to miss videos like this one. So the sleep mode is most likely the sleep focus mode, which perhaps dims the screen a little bit or, manages your notifications a bit differently. So you can go to the control center and click on the focus and make sure to uncheck the sleep focus mode. Or you can also go to your settings app and find the focus section where you can manage all of your focus modes, including the sleep one. So you can delete it, turn off the scheduling, or customize it. So that would be one way of turning off the sleep mode on iPhone. On the other hand, you might also be referring to the display changes which might be happening. So there is the night shift as well as a dark mode. Both can be found in the control center inside the brightness controller when you hold down on it. And the night shift reduces the blue light, making the whole screen like much more yellowish, or the temperatures are warmer, like the color temperature, right? And also there is the dark mode, which inverts the white background of all applications into a dark one, which might be causing it to be more pleasant to look at the screen during night. So if you mean this type of sleep mode, then you can of course make sure you turn it off that way, right? So that is what I wanted to show you and explain in this video. In case I didn't mention something like a problem you had, let me know about that below in the comments. That is what the comment section is for. And it's possible I'm going to update you with another video in the future. So stay tuned by subscribing, and that way you are not going to miss anything important. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.